Should I not say the name?
No, you shouldn't say the name because we're gonna put this on Facebook.
Wait, you forgot the butterfly clip, guys.
Oh my god, okay, so this is a person that I fucking despise. She's nasty bitch.
There's a clip.
She has like a major camel toe that you need to like fucking surgically remove to get out of there, but I don't know.
Oh, Anissa.
And she got like this fucking ring you can throw like ecstasy in there.
No, that's her camel.
No, that's her camel toe. The thing you need to fucking surgically pull out.
She has a penis.
I think she does. That's why her
She just tucks it in.
That's her fat dripping off. Because it seriously looks like it's gonna drip off soon.
It is. It should. She should be running.
Did you draw the roll?
Yeah, I did.
The one that's like right on her like vagina.
Yeah.
It's like,
Dude, it's right
Is it the video? Because I feel bad. Is that your camera?
Yeah, you looked at it last time at the other party.
You need to draw her boob like in full.
You taking video still?
Yeah.
But I don't want to put this on there because I took this from my father.
Name